Funds that trade like stocks but represent a diversified portfolio of equities. 2. Bonds, fixed income securities. Government bonds, corporate bonds, municipal bonds. 3. Cash and cash equivalents. Savings accounts, interest-bearing accounts at financial institutions. Money market funds, funds that invest in short-term, high-quality debt instruments. Certificates of deposit, CDs, time deposits offering a fixed interest rate for a specific period. 4. Real estate, direct ownership, physical properties like residential, commercial or rental properties. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, companies that own, operate or finance income-producing real estate. 5. Commodities, physical commodities, tangible assets like gold, silver, oil or agricultural products. Commodity funds, funds that invest in commodities futures or commodity-related companies. 6. Mutual funds and ETFs, actively managed funds. These funds managed by professionals who intend to outperform the market. Index funds, funds that track a specific market index, offering broad market exposure at lower costs. Sector-specific funds, funds focusing on specific sectors like technology, healthcare or energy. 7. Alternative investments. Hedge funds are pooled funds that employ various strategies to achieve high returns, often with higher risk. Private equity, investments in private companies, including venture capital. Cryptocurrencies, digital or virtual currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Collectibles, tangible assets like art, antiques, and rare items. 8. International investments, foreign stocks and